When spending a day watching trains, nothing is easier than catching the action on a platform at a station. But sometimes, it's worth putting in a little extra effort to go off the beaten path. Rondout, Illinois is a place I've always wanted to check out. I've seen plenty of great shots taken from this location, and last month, I finally got a chance to do it. Here are some quick tips for you on how to take advantage of this fantastic spot, and then we'll check out the action. Located north of Chicago, Rondout provides you a great view of 3 different rail lines while technically standing on a 4th. The bridge over the line was once the Mundelein branch of an interurban electric railway known as the Chicago, North Shore, and Milwaukee. Here, we see one of the original bridges. The new pedestrian bridge over the tracks is now part of the North Shore bike path. The Canadian Pacific Mainline passes directly underneath the bridge. This line plays host to Metra's Milwaukee District North Line, as well as Amtrak Hiawatha's and the Empire Builder. Just to the south, the Canadian National Mainline crosses the CP. And to the north, an old Milwaukee Road line to Madison, Wisconsin now carries Metra trains to their northern terminus at Fox Lake. How to get to this spot is not immediately apparent. It's located in the middle of an industrial area with almost nothing around it. But after some great advice from local rail fans, I learned that the easiest place to park is in the gravel patch directly across Arcadia Road from the Knollwood Sportsman's Club. Then it's just a short walk up this steep hill to the bike path, and we catch the action, starting with a Metra train inbound to Chicago. An outbound Metra to Fox Lake passes through next, with the Milwaukee Road Heritage locomotive on the point. Two Amtrak Hiawatha trains converge on Rondout simultaneously, the second of which has a cabbage painted in a veteran's commemorative scheme. More about that in another video. Wrapping up our day, Amtrak's Empire Builder charges through on its way to the Pacific Northwest with 2 brand new ALC 42s. Want to learn more about that Amtrak cabbage? Watch this video from last month. And please hit that like button. It helps us more than you know. Thank you for watching.